Hello guys, my name is Dennis Kadir. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Audacity on your computer. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So to download Audacity on your computer, you're going to head over to your browser and then you're going to search for audacityteam.org. So right here, as you can see, Audacity is a free and open source application. You can download it on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So to download Audacity, you are going to scroll down to this download button right here. So when you hit on this, the download is going to kick off, and then when the download is done, you can install the application on your PC. It's a very easy process. So when you've installed the application on your computer and then you open it, this is what you're going to see. This is the interface for Audacity. So right here, I get to choose my input device for Audacity or microphone. And then over here, you get to choose the output device or speaker. So at the top right here, you have different tools to work on Audacity. So right here, you get to monitor your audio level. So to start recording audio on Audacity, you can hit on this red button right here to kick off your record. So as you can see right here, I'm recording audio on Audacity. So when you are done recording your audio, you can hit on this stop button right here and your audio will stop recording. So when you are done recording, to play back your audio, you can hit on this play button right here. So right here, you can add new tracks to Audacity by hitting on this tracks button right here, hit on add new, and then when you hit on this mono track button, a new track will be added. So on the effects tab, you have access to a bunch of effects. So for instance, you can amplify your audio, you can compress your audio, you can also add fade in and fade out, add echoes, and also you can reduce the background noise of your audio. So at the top right here, you can add plugins to Audacity. So let's say for instance, you want to add auto-tune plugin, you can do that. So that is a video I will do later in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how to download Audacity on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.